Hello and welcome to this video about how to set up your own stocks and shares ISA. In this video I will show you how to set up your own, how to get up and running on a trading account, and how you can do that all today. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Hey guys, so to set up your stocks and shares ISA, you want to go onto my favorite trading platform for trading stocks and shares under the ISA wrapper. So it's Trading 212. You can just see it here. If you go onto this website, then you go into open account in the top right corner, hit real money. So here, whatever country you are from, enter that in. Then all your details as well. There'll be a lot of different questions here. It will include your tax number as well, and just other information about you, verifying that you're 18 years old as well. Pop all of that in, and once that is in, then you should be able to log in and deposit money. So once you create a page, you should come to a loading page like this. You want to make sure that you open an ISA account. So if you look up in the top right corner here, you will see that I have an ISA account here. There are three different types of accounts. So there's an investing account, a CFD, which stands for contracts for difference, or an ISA account. You want to make sure you have your money in the ISA account, and that will let you use the usage for your 20,000 that you have in ISA allowance in a stocks and shares wrapper. So having a look here, I have Apple loaded up, for example. Just looking at the stock price of Apple over the last couple of months, you can see the increase and decrease. It shows you then the high and low of the day that it's been on. It shows you the change from one day before, a week before, and 1 month, how much it's gained in the last year, where the currency for it, what different stock exchange it's listed on. So this stock is listed on the NASDAQ. As well, then, if you want to set a price alert for any stock, you can click on this new price alert. You can enter the stock, and if there's a certain price that you have in your mind for a different stock, you can set in that price alert. And once that stock drops to that level or it rises to that level, you'll get notified by an email from Trading 212 that the stock has hit that level. So just having a look here for anyone who is new to investing, if you go up to the search bar here, you can have a look at the different instruments that are on Trading 212. So you can go into stocks. They have stocks broken down in different areas, so you can look at all the different countries here. So obviously USA, you'll have the most popular stocks. You can have a look here at all the different stocks that are available. Scroll down. But if you are a novice investor, I really would not advise buying one stock by itself. I would advise anyone who is starting out in investing to buy an ETF. So an ETF is an exchange traded fund. So basically what that is it is a basket of different stocks. So it doesn't just hold you down to one stock that you purchase. You're purchasing a lot of different stocks, but you're buying it at a much reduced price. So if you have a look here, the first one is the Vanguard S&P 500. So Vanguard is a brokerage company. They have this ETF that they are offering, and you can purchase it for £38 at the moment, and that comprises of the top 500 stocks in the US. So it is broken down by different sectors and by the different size of those businesses, but they make it evenly spread so that you have the top 500 businesses there across sectors. So you were able to buy that. The benefit of buying an ETF compared to a stock is it gives you diversity. So if that one stock you're invested in drops, you will lose all your money if you have all your eggs in one basket with that. Whereas if you were invested in an ETF, you have different stocks offsetting each other if one falls or if one gains. You're making it a lot better in terms of managing risk. Scrolling down here, you have a lot of other options. So you can invest in physical gold, for example. You can invest in the FTSE 100. There's a list of different ETFs here. I will be posting a video about my suggested ETFs that I think you should invest in. But really, for the first person starting out, getting involved in stocks, if this is your first time, I would look at ETFs and stay away from individual stock picks. The benefit of having this in an ISA, a stocks and shares ISA, and putting your money into it is if you invest in stocks or in ETFs, any capital appreciation you see on that, usually you'd have to pay tax, which is called capital gains tax. So that would be the gain that you have made on that asset. Whereas if it is in an ISA, you do not have to pay that tax. You also, if you receive dividends from your investments within this stocks and shares ISA, you can keep them tax free and lock it into your ISA again and reinvest those dividends to buy more stocks and shares with compound interest. And over time, once this dividend income you receive is invested back in and you get compound interest from that, you can grow your basket of money there that you have in your stocks and shares ISA a lot quicker. So look, that's pretty much the basics of setting up your own stocks and shares ISA. You have in this in Trading 212, they have a lot of videos here for newbies how to get involved in trading. It is commission free, so compared to different brokerages, they charge fees for any sort of investment. The good thing about Trading 212 is you save on all the fees you invest there. So they're going straight into your investment pool that you have for different stocks and ETFs. That is a breakdown of the stocks and shares ISA. If you have any questions at all, feel free to comment on the section below. If you like this video and thought it provided value, please give it a thumbs up. I'll be producing a lot more content around this investing. So if you have an interest in that sort of content, please subscribe and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.
So that is how you set up your own stocks and shares ISA. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments at all, please drop them below in the section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll be producing more content like this in the future, so please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more. Thank you.